Have you ever seen a skeleton dialed watch? Well, they are pretty rare, but not super uncommon, I guess. And we have one in our hands today. This is the Seiko Presage Style 60s SSA461J. As a part of the Style 60s range, this model uses a different case design compared to other Presage models, being slightly smaller in diameter at 39.5mm. On my 16.5 centimeter wrist, these models fit really well actually. We also see a different style of handset with a slimmer design, and they also include some Lumibright, which the normal cocktail time Presages do not. The bezel takes on a fine patterned texture, which works well to contrast against the smooth polished lugs. The small crown is stamped with the S logo, and the leather band is quite a bit thinner than the other Presage leather bands, this one offering good flexibility right out of the box. Now, these are all nice details to describe, and it is a lovely, well put together watch, but you probably only care about the crazy looking dial. And fair enough, that is probably why you clicked on the video. So yeah, this is a skeleton dial with the dial plate being cut out at specific areas to give you a good look into that movement. This particular automatic movement is the 4R72, and that affords 41 hours of power reserve and hand winding through the crown. It is really interesting to be able to see different parts of the mechanics tick over, move and whir around while you're wearing it. Most watches don't even allow you to have a look into the movement, and even if they do, it's on the exhibition case back, so you have to actually take it off to have a look at it. For this one, you can just marvel at the movement as it's on your wrist. And this one goes a step further and actually has the exhibition case back, like most Presage watches do. This watch, I think, was made for the mechanical lovers out there. People like me who appreciate that there's all these little gears working together to keep good time packaged all on your wrist. I can honestly see these ones being a bit of a classic watch within a few years. I think the Style 60s range is really sharp and sleek, and then this modern skeleton dial is just out of this world. So if you're thinking of picking one up, just know I approve of the purchase. The Seiko Presage Style 60s range doesn't stop at this model. We've done a few videos on this collection, and you can shop the Style 60s range over at watchdepot.com.au. Thank you for watching. Like I said, we've got more Style 60s videos to check out. And if you want more watch content directly to your subscription feed, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one.